Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice from leftover rice. First, ensure your rice is cold and at least 1 day old. This prevents stickiness. Next, chop your favorite vegetables into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Prepare your protein, like a half cup of diced chicken or shrimp, and have your sauces and 1 whisked egg ready to go. This simple preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your minced garlic and ginger, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, introduce your protein, such as 4 ounces of chicken or shrimp, and stir-fry until it's perfectly cooked. Once done, push these delicious ingredients to one side, making space for the next step. With the protein and aromatics ready, it's time for the vegetables and egg. Add your chopped vegetables, like 1 cup of mixed peas and carrots, to the empty side of the pan and stir-fry for about 2 minutes until slightly tender crisp. Next, pour in your 1 whisked egg, scrambling it until just set. Now combine everything in the pan, then add your 2 cups of cold, day-old rice, breaking up any clumps as you stir. Almost there. Now for the crucial seasoning. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil over your fried rice. Stir-fry everything vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully and the rice heats through. Taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. Finally, garnish with fresh, chopped green onions and serve your homemade, delicious fried rice immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.